Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all the students of Physics and Zoology Department. I am Dr. Mazhar Iqbal Khaskali, PhD in Chemistry. I am from the Department of Chemistry and belongs to the GC University Hyderabad. Organic Chemistry minor for the departments of Zoology and Physics. This is my fourth lecture, and this lecture is also related to the first semester, which has a weightage of 2 credit hours, and 100 marks has been allotted for this subject. Today our topic is alkene and their preparation methods and chemical properties. First of all, I want to describe the alkenes. Alkenes are the hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon double covalent bond. Alkenes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons, and they contain at least 2 carbon atoms. Alkenes have 2 hydrogen less than the alkanes. The general formula for the alkenes is CnH2n, where n is any positive number which is equal to 2 or greater than 2. Alkenes are also known as the olefins. Olefin is a Latin word which is obtained from the oleum means oil, fecere means to make. Means these are the oil former, because the alkenes lower members are used in the formation of the oil. Alkenes cannot be obtained in free state in nature because they are more reactive than the alkanes. Mostly the alkenes are produced by the cracking process of the petroleum. The preparation methods for the alkenes. Generally, alkenes are prepared by the elimination reactions. In elimination reactions, atoms or group of atoms are removed from the 2 adjacent carbon atoms. Generally, alkenes are prepared from the alcohols, alkyl halides, and alkynes. Here, first of all, we will discuss about the preparation of alkene from the alcohols. You see, ethanol, when heated with hard sulfuric acid, ethene is formed and water molecule is also removed. In this reaction, one OH group and other hydrogen from the adjacent carbon is removed, and 2 sigma bonds are converted into 1 pi bond. The ease of dehydration of the alcohols in order. The tertiary alcohols are easily dehydrated than the secondary alcohol, then primary alcohols. In second reaction, you see that 2-butanol, when heated with sulfuric acid, 2-butene and 1-butene, two different products are formed. 2-butene is major product and 1-butene is minor product. Sadzeff rule applied for this unsymmetrical alcohol say that the removal of hydrogen takes place from that carbon which has less number of the hydrogen. In case of 2-butene, the hydrogen is removed from the carbon which has less number of the hydrogen. So this product becomes a major product. In dehydration of the alcohols, other dehydrating agents like alumina, phosphorus pentoxide, and phosphoric acids are used, but commonly sulfuric acid is used because it is easily available and has great dehydrating property. Second method of preparation of the alkene is from the alkyl halides. When alkyl halides are heated with alcoholic sodium or potassium hydroxide, alkene is formed. In this reaction, hydrogen halide is removed from the alkyl halide. The 2 sigma bonds are broken and one new pi bond is formed in the alkene. Like alcohols, the dehydrohalogenation is taking place according to the Sadzeff rule. Because in Sadzeff rule, the hydrogen is removed from that carbon which has less number of the hydrogen atoms. The order of dehydrohalogenation in alkyl halide is same order as in the alcohols. Tertiary alkyl halides have greater dehydrohalogenated property than the secondary alkyl halide and then primary alkyl halides. Third method of preparation of alkene is controlled hydrogenation of the alkynes. When alkynes are treated with hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst, alkene is formed. Lindlar's catalyst is prepared when palladium is poisoned with calcium carbonate and quinoline. Here you see that propine, when treated with hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst, propene is formed. This is a controlled hydrogenation of alkynes. Reactions of the alkenes. Generally, alkenes are the less reactive than the alkanes due to the presence of pi bond. Pi bond is a weaker bond while sigma bonds are the stronger bond. When the reaction is taking place, one pi bond is broken and two new sigma bonds are formed. We will discuss about the addition reactions one by one. First one is hydrogenation, the chemical reaction in which hydrogen is added to the alkene and alkane is formed. This chemical reaction is known as the hydrogenation reaction. In the given example, ethene, when treated with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel or platinum or palladium, ethane is formed. During this reaction, heat is also given to the process. Second chemical reaction is halogenation. In halogenation, when ethene is treated with bromine, 1,2-dibromoethane is formed. In this reaction, one pi bond is broken and two halides are attached to the two different carbons which are attached with the double bond. Third chemical reaction is alkene is treated with hydrogen halides. In case of symmetrical alkenes, it is no matter to which carbon, hydrogen or bromine is attached. In this way, the symmetrical alkenes form the product bromoethane. While in case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the attachment of the HBr is according to the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule says that the partial positive part of the reagent will attach with that carbon of the double bond which have highest number of the hydrogens. So in this case, when propane is treated with HBr, 2-bromopropane is a major product. Fourth chemical reaction is hydration. Hydration is a process in which water molecule is attached to any unsaturated compound. In this case, when propane is treated with water in the presence of sulfuric acid, propane 2-ol is formed. This is the attachment of the H and OH of the water according to the Markovnikov rule. In this way, the OH hydrogen of the water will attach with that carbon of the double bond which has highest number of the hydrogen.